Good afternoon, ngayon po ay July 3, 2026 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong July 3, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumambasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, July 3, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumambasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 3, 2026, Friday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, July 3, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for July 3, 2026, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.